There are two main types of cells, eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. At first, we will discuss prokaryotic cells. As you can see the structure, this is the structures of bacteria. Bacteria are obviously prokaryotes. So, why the cells are prokaryotes? Because they do not have a true nucleus. Okay? Neither they have membrane-bound organelles. They have only ribosomes and cytoplasm, and their genetic material is encoded in a region called nucleoid. Prokaryotes doesn't have histone protein with the help of which DNA makes chromosomes, so they do not have proper chromosomes as well. That's it for the prokaryotic cells. Now let's move forward to eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells do have proper nucleus. They have cytoplasm and cytoplasmic organelles, and these organelles are present within the membrane called cell membrane or plasma membrane. In some cells, especially plant cells or some bacterial cells, we do have cell wall, which is the another covering of the cell besides cell membrane. Now let's move forward to the organelles one by one. So first we have nucleus. So nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Nucleus is like a leader of the cell. It leads all cellular activities. It has double membrane with pores for RNA or ribosomes to transfer into the cytoplasm, and it also has chromatin network or nuclear reticulum wrapped up with histones. As if you remember, I told you earlier, so histones are the basic need of chromosomes. During cell division, chromatin material converts to or changes itself into chromosomes, and then chromosomes transfer hereditary material to the offsprings. And obviously all these activities are being happened under a fluid-filled nucleus, and that fluid is called nucleoplasm, as we have cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. So nuclear membrane differentiates cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. We have a structure of nucleus with chromatin networks and nucleolus. We also have nucleolus. What does it do? Nucleolus is basically the site of synthesis of ribosomes. It synthesizes ribosomes. Nucleolus disappears during cell division and reappears afterwards. We don't need it during cell division, right? Now let's move forward to the cytoplasm and cytoplasmic organelles. So first we'll discuss cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance. It contains fluid called cytosol. I have first ribosomes. Ribosomes, they from nucleolus, come to the cytoplasm through nuclear pores, and they are the protein factories. They make proteins. They attach to the ER through translocon pores and then synthesize protein. They have two subunits, one large and other small. They copy instructions from messenger RNA by the help of transfer RNA and then makes proteins. They are present in both types of cells. So there are millions of them in a single cell.